everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining once again. And today I thought it'd be fun to share with you my designing, foiling, and finally the coloring process, which I did a while back on my Instagram, and some of you wanted to see the process, so I am here to show you that. I designed this in the app called Procreate using my iPad and Apple Pencil. Next, I printed it out using my LaserJet printer, and I'm using the gold foil by Heidi Swapp again, and I'm also using this Mink by Heidi Swapp, and I'm super happy with how this machine works. The results are brilliant and they work very nicely for me. Let me know if you want to know about the machine itself, but this particular video is more about how I created this piece, so I'm not going to go in the very detail and the specifications of the machine. But anyway, so you see how beautiful the results are. I love the gold, and now it's time to color it. And for today, I will be using again the Chameleon color changing markers, and I enjoy so much coloring with them. They are so fun and so easy, and the blends are amazing. And how the blends really work, I will show you in a moment. The paper I'm using today is the premium A4 paper, which is super smooth, and it's 160 GSM, and these markers are alcohol based, just to keep that in mind as well. So this is one complete pen. Yeah, it's very big, it's huge. And then you have these small color tops like this one. So I'm using I think BR5 and on top GR2, and that way the ink goes in the primary pen. So that's how I achieved the colors on the leaves, like that, starting with the green and ending up with a burgundy color. And next I'm using orange and yellow together. So I have a yellow color top which goes with the orange very well. I think it looks very pretty together, and I'm doing the same thing here. Also, I wanted to mention this video is not sponsored in any way, so I have bought everything that I'm showing you here. Just saying. And I'm almost done with my first piece here, and those are the final results. I'm just gonna color the small leaves now. And also I wanted to mention these, the big pens, they have two tips. So you have like a brush tip and then a bullet tip, I think. And that you can use for the small things to color the small parts. And here we are, and I love how this looks. Next, the design is again almost the same. I've just changed the letters inside. This says "Make Today Amazing." Just using different color combination here, and yeah, otherwise everything else is same. The technique is same, just different colors. These were super fun to design and color, and I want to thank you all again for watching the video. And I will be showing you one more piece which I already did for my Instagram, which was for the new year. So I added 2021 and it says Happy New Year. I will show you in a minute. And this is the second one, and I love the colors in this. It's so pretty, and I'm just showing you here the colors which are coming out now. I'm just going to use this white gel pen, and I'm just gonna go on top of those and cover them. And that's all. Let me know which one you like the best. I still have to show you the third one. So this is the first one, and this is the one which says Happy New Year 2021. You can see the video on my Instagram for that. And a little something for you, if you would like a copy of the digital design, which you can print it out at home and color, then please subscribe to my channel and kindly let me know in the comments where I can send it to you. So yes, I think that'll be amazing, and you'll be able to color them as well. So yes guys, that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching, and I want to wish you a very happy new year.